On our website, you can navigate to plugins and scroll down to see the Django CMS plugin. When you click on Instructions on PyPy, you will be redirected to the PyPy project page. Here you can easily copy all the terminal codes to install our plugin. Go to your Django CMS folder and copy the link. Then go to your terminal and type cd, hit space, and paste the link. Now you're located inside your project folder. Next, copy the code for installing our package. Then paste it inside your terminal. Next, copy the code for downloading the plugin code and paste it in your terminal and hit enter. In your Explorer, you'll see that a folder plugin has been added. Open this folder and copy the folder Pathomation. Go back one level and paste it in your Django CMS project folder. This is the folder where manage.py is located. Next, within the project folder, open the folder with the name of your site. Here you'll find settings.py. Open this file with a file editor. Scroll down until you see installed apps. And add Pathomation. Next, copy the code for setting up the update for the database and paste it in your terminal. Finally, copy the code for updating the database and paste it in your terminal. That's it. Congratulations, you have successfully installed our Django CMS plugin.